SK Enmove's YUBASE is a global leader in the premium base oil market. How did YUBASE, which started out in an East Asian country, become a brand that's now leading the world's premium base oil industry? SK Enmove is committed to SSQP, a stable supply of quality products, making sure customers get the premium products they need, in the quantities they want, and exactly when they want them. With the world's largest production capacity for Group 3 or 3+ base oils, SK Enmove mass produces premium base oil, and it now supplies major lubricant manufacturers around the globe as a stable, reliable source of premium base oil. With YUBASE, SK Enmove has built a global supply chain early on to ensure a stable supply of Group 3 or 3+ base oils anytime, anywhere. However, just setting up factories overseas wasn't enough to become a global market leader. SK Enmove expanded its global supply network by strategically choosing locations that make it easy to secure high-quality raw materials and efficiently supply key markets like Europe, the Americas, and Asia. To secure the high-quality raw materials needed for producing Group 3 or 3+ base oils, SK Enmove worked with Indonesia's state-owned oil company, Pertamina, to establish Patra SK in Indonesia. Then, to ensure a stable supply for the European market, where demand for premium base oil is high, SK Enmove partnered with Spain's largest energy company, Repsol, to set up YUBASE. Working with Japan's leading energy company, SK Enmove also established YMAC in Ulsan. By doing so, it built a global network equipped to supply premium base oil, even more reliably to customers all over the world, including the Ulsan complex. SK Enmove can now deliver YUBASE anywhere, anytime, even if unexpected issues like natural disasters or logistical disruptions occur. With its global network, SK Enmove's YUBASE keeps producing and supplying premium products reliably. As the leader in the premium base oil market, SK Enmove is just getting started. Stay tuned to see where SK Enmove can take us with its next step. We'll be back with more interesting topics in our next episode. Thank you for watching Enmove Times.